On days when Seattle is rainy and a little gloomy, there's one special spot where hungry people can go to rest and forget about the world outside for just a little bit. Cafe Flora lives up to its name, with plants, a water fountain, and floral decor, creating a vibe that feels perfectly relaxed. And it helps that the food is pretty amazing too.
It's soothing and zen.
I don't think there's any other restaurants I can think of that have like a fountain burbling in the background.
This place feels as warm and welcoming as it did 30 years ago, which is a real treat.
We've really tried to create that kind of, a little bit of that French countryside ambiance.
Owner Nat Stratton-Clarke and his team have designed the space to feel cozy. The vegetarian menu matches the lovely decor, allowing guests to enjoy their company or find solace in the stillness.
We've got just gorgeous plants everywhere and then some incredible floral wallpapers.
I love your floral wallpaper.
It's so fun.
I have to say.
Whether it's the kind of peak summer or it's January, you still feel like you're in that amazing kind of floral space.
I've been coming here for about 25 years.
We just love it here because they are so creative.
Like the atmosphere is very unique, very relaxing, and the food is incredible.
So Cafe Flora opened in October of 1991.
Wow.
I know. We're one of the oldest restaurants now in Seattle and one of the oldest vegetarian restaurants in the country. We've had so many celebrations and also so many just delicious Saturday morning brunches.
Stay tuned because later in the show, Nat and I are going to make Cafe Flora's Washington potato waffle.
You think you've tried potato in every way at breakfast, but now we're doing it in a waffle.
This is a savory thing.
Savory waffle.